How to fix lag on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix lag on your Android phone by adjusting a few settings. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, swipe up from your home screen to open your app drawer, and once you have done that, simply open the settings app. And here, once you're inside the settings app, simply scroll down and tap on apps. And now, once you are inside the apps, you'll see the list of all the apps that you have installed on your phone. And here at the top of the app screen, you'll see your apps and a filter icon next to it. So tap on the filter icon, and in the pop-up menu that appears, simply turn on Show System Apps option, and after that you can tap OK. And this will let you to say system level app that may affect performance. Now here, simply tap on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen, and here simply tap on the search bar and simply search for UI. And in the search result, simply scroll down and tap on One UI Home. And here, once you are inside the One UI Home, simply scroll down and tap on Battery. And now here, simply change the battery usage settings to optimize to unrestricted. And by doing this will allow One UI to use system resources freely, which can improve responsiveness and reduce lag. And now with that, go back and here simply scroll down and tap on Storage. And now inside the storage, simply tap on Clear Cache to clear any temporary files, and once you're done with that, simply tap on Clear Data and confirm it by tapping on Delete. And this will remove any corrupted or outdated data that could be slowing down the interface. And that's it. That's how you can fix lag on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.